core Igbo musical instrument you should know. Igbo music, Egwu Nkà Ndi Igbo, a journey through sound and culture. Igbo music, known as Egwu Nkà Ndi Igbo in the native language, is the music of the Igbo people who are indigenous to the southeastern Nigeria. Known for its lively, energetic, and spontaneous sounds, Igbo music plays a significant role in everyday life, blending seamlessly into rituals, spiritual events, celebrations, and daily interactions. Famous Igbo music genres include Igbo Highlife, Igbo Bongo, Odumodu, Ekpili, Ogene, Igbo Gospel, and Ikorodo, among others. Beyond producing sound, Igbo musical instruments have a deeper purpose. They communicate daily experiences, translate human emotions, and connect the physical with the spiritual. These instruments are essential during ceremonies like births, funerals, rituals, and dances, as well as in contemporary settings like church choirs. One, Oja, flute. Oja is the soul of Igbo music. This carved wooden flute produces not just musical notes, but a sacred sound believed to speak to the gods, calm spirits, and give strength to the weak. It is traditionally believed that Oja chooses its master, making it an instrument of great spiritual significance. 2. Udu, the pottery drum. The udu is a clay drum traditionally played by women during ceremonies like weddings and community gatherings. It is delicate yet produces deep resonating bass sounds by tapping its open mouth. 3. Igba, the talking drum. Igba, a wooden cylinder drum covered with animal skin, can talk through its beat. It has been used to announce news, both joyful and tragic, and accompanies dances, rituals, and secular events. 4. Ogidi, long Igba. Also known as Nne Igba or Igba Eze, Ogidi is the longest form of the Igba drum and holds great significance in traditional dances and ceremonies. 5. Alo, long metal gong. Alo, a hollow metal gong, produces a loud, sharp sound. It holds ceremonial importance similar to the Ogene in Igbo musical ensembles. 6. Ogene, metal gong. Often referred to as the master instrument in Igbo bell orchestras, Ogene is a bell-like gong made by blacksmiths. It has transcended traditional music and found a place in modern Afrobeat. 7. Ekwe, the slit drum. Ekwe is a two-pitched long drum made from wood. It's used in various ceremonies, including weddings and funerals. It plays an essential role in cultural events. 8. Ichaka, the calabash rattle. Ichaka is a simple rattle made from calabash, often used alongside other instruments to create rhythm. It complements larger, more complex instruments. 9. Opi, the horn. Made from animal horn or elephant tusk, the opi signals the arrival of royalty or masquerades. It's a powerful instrument with both cultural and ceremonial uses. 10. Inyo, the basket rattle. Inyo is a percussion instrument made from a gourd filled with seeds. It's shaken to create sound, used alongside other instruments during traditional ceremonies. 11. Ikoro. Ikoro is the most revered instrument in Igbo land. It's a large wooden slit drum used for communication in times of urgency. When it sounds, everyone in the community gathers, often signaling important news, war, or emergencies. 12. Nkonko or Nkpokoro, small ekwe. Nkonko is a smaller version of the ekwe, played with one hand and used in ceremonies and festivals. 13. Okike, elephant tusk trump. Okike is the most prestigious trumpet in Igbo culture reserved for titled individuals. It symbolizes power and wealth and is used during royal events, also installations and significant celebrations. 14. Odumodu, short trumpet. A smaller version of the okike, it is held by titled men at ceremonies, weddings, and town meetings. 15. Enenke, the deer horn trumpet. Enenke is used to announce deaths, emergencies, and important community gatherings. Its sound often marks the beginning of funeral rites for great individuals. 16. Ekpili, the shaker. Ekpili is a percussion instrument used in masquerade performances, providing rhythmic beats during ceremonies. 17. Obo, the thumb piano. Obo, often called the thumb piano, is similar to a stringed instrument. Though rare today, it was once a significant part of Igbo. 18. Mgberingba, ankle rattle. This instrument is worn on the ankle and produces sound through the movement of the body, often used during dances. Despite modernization and the influence of Christianity, this traditional instrument remains integral to Igbo cultural heritage. Each instrument carries historical and spiritual significance, enriching the lives of the Igbo people through sound, rhythms, and cultural expressions. Thank you for watching.